The Creality K1C 3D printer boasts an impressive speed of 600 millimeters per second, making it significantly faster than many other models on the market. This printer is ready to use straight out of the box, with a simple setup process that resembles that of a new smartphone, allowing users to start printing in just minutes. It features a clog-free direct extruder that supports high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it compatible with carbon fiber and other advanced filaments. The smart AI functionality, including an observant AI camera, enhances the user experience by recognizing potential printing issues and providing real-time monitoring. Its upgraded cooling system includes multiple fans to ensure optimal heat management, improving overall print quality by reducing stringing and warping. With a robust build and innovative features, the Creality K1C 3D printer is designed to deliver reliable and high-quality prints for both hobbyists and professionals.